The wave-like behavior of particles is one of the most celebrated phenomena in physics. De Broglie proposed the matter wave hypothesis. He said that if light has a wave-like behavior, particles also must have a similar kind of behavior. Davis and Germer experiment has showed that moving electrons can interfere each other. In fact, they move like a wave, and the waves can interfere each other. This experimental result resulted in the wide acceptance of the matter wave hypothesis by De Broglie. In fact, this matter wave experiment is considered as one of the groundbreaking discovery in physics. However, I have a different explanation for why the moving electrons or any other particles behave like a wave. Based on my studies, every mass defect in the universe exploded violently and becomes a super thin form of matter. Where there is a mass defect, it transformed into a super thin form of matter. Mass defect is a universally occurring phenomenon. For example, our sun, every star in the universe, supernova explosions, black hole mergers, neutron star collisions, all these events creates mass defects on a large scale. So these mass defects are exploded violently and transformed into a super thin form of matter. Since this phenomena, the mass defect is a universally occurring phenomena, the entire universe is filled with this super thin form of matter. So when a particle such as an electron moves through space, it cannot travel in a straight line because of the collision with this space-filling particles of matter. It will move in a wave-like path. So when a group of electrons travel through space, these waves can interfere each other. So it can create a beautiful interference patterns. So, based on my studies, the wave-like behavior of particles tell nothing unusual fact. In fact, the wave-like behavior is one of the evidence for the space-filling matter. I am Joseph George. Thank you for watching.